Welcome back to the channel. This is Eddie Too Long. Today's storms, uh, a cyclone named, I don't, Vayanu just dissipated, and uh, Myla is still nearing Papua New Guinea, we, gradually weakening after its peak. But our focus today is Tropical Cyclone Sinlaku, the fourth named storm of the season and the third tropical storm in 80, 82 long forecast. 125 miles per hour winds is forecast to be the peak of this storm, and right now it's having winds of 50 miles per hour and a pressure of 989 millibars. The forecast cone actually shows a direct hit in Guam, but I don't think it's gonna happen. But still, uh, extreme damage could happen here. So, uh, the people in the Northern Mariana Islands and Guam, please be protected before this storm can tear your house apart. So, first, this is the uh, forecast of the GFS in the next days. Storm is gonna be very, very strong in the GFS forecast, and then steering near Japan a bit, and then gradually weakening, and then steering back to Alaska. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Eddie Too Long for more forecasts.